Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat. So with this resounding call, we mark not just a moment, but a movement. The path to eliminating cervical cancer is clear, but it will only be possible through sustained collective action. Let this moment renew our shared commitment to the 90-70-90 targets, and more importantly, to the lives behind them, our mothers, daughters, sisters, and future generations. Dahil sa laban na ito, dapat walang maiwan o walang iwanan. Together we say, tapusin natin ang cervical cancer.